What's up, everybody? We're going to be playing GTA today, and my name's Evan. Thanks for joining me. And guess what? So we're going to be calling the police to come here. But guess what? Here's a catch. We're going to call them, say what we want. So,
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require?
the police.
Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
So since the police are here, we're going to shoot them. And then now all we got to do is make sure that they don't kill me. Okay? And now we're going to try to get away. And if I do get away, I'll come back.